How to install and use two Snapchat apps on iPhone. So if you want to install and use two Snapchat apps on iPhone, then here's a way. What you need to do is first open up your App Store. Under your App Store, you just need to simply go with the search, and under search, you need to search for Copy App. Once you search for it, now here you will have all of the applications. So you just need to simply choose the application which is dual account, multi-social. So you just need to simply tap on the dual accounts and tap on Get, which is on the right side, to install the application. So in my case, I've already installed the application. So once you've installed, you just need to simply go with Open. And once you open the application, now go with the plus icon, which is on the upper right. Once you go with the plus, now here you will have the applications or the app list. So you can simply choose the app. For example, if you want two Snapchats, then you just need to simply go and choose the Snapchat application and go with the tick, which is on the upper right. And in this way, you will be having two Snapchat apps on your iPhone, and you can simply go with the Snapchat app and log into your account. So that's how you can install and use two Snapchat apps on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.